Hey guys, welcome to What Women Want W3. It's your one stop destination. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Also, press the bell icon to get notifications. Today, we are going to see some unusual dish. It's an Andhra delicacy. It's a snack for your tea partner and for your coffee. And let's get started. First, I'm going to de-seed all the chilies. Just make a small slit and remove all the seeds so that you can make it less spicier. Take a bowl, add some salt, garam masala, turmeric, and some chili powder just for the color, and then mix it thoroughly. Mix all the dry ingredients so well and then add water. The mistake we do is we add water and then mix, so the salt and the chili powder remains in different places and the taste doesn't come well. And whenever you're making bajji, make sure that the batter is very thick. If it's a thin batter, then it will not give fluffy look, and also it will be very watery and you won't get the bajji look at all. Since the bajjis are too long, I am just trying to pour in some batter, and I have kept two ladles here because you can press and take out the oil very nicely this way. I'm using little oil and I'm going to fry all my chilies till they become 3/4 cooked. Yes, don't cook it fully, just 3/4, so that there is a remaining procedure for which we need it to be cooked in this manner. Just pour in some batter from top so that it gets covered thoroughly. I'm going to fry 3 chilies today and all in the same manner. You can just check it out. Guys, I have tried various angles in today's video. Do let me know in the comment box if you love this so that I can implement in my future videos. Someone asked me that my channel contains cooking, it contains organization videos, it contains DIYs, art and craft, lifestyle videos, motivational videos, Hindi language videos. People just asked me something. Why so many in a single channel? I gave only one answer to all those, and there will be other subscribers who have the same question. That one day she's putting a cooking video, one day there's a DIY video. What is this channel all about? So let me give you a simple example. When we go to a mall and we see a lot of shops there, we are so happy to buy everything in a single mall. Or you go to a supermarket and you find almost all your groceries there, you're so happy to buy it in the same place. So it's just that simple logic which I've applied to my channel and given the same look, that what women want will have what all women need. They need cooking, they need lot of DIYs, they need lot of organization, they need lot of motivation, and they need to learn different languages. These are all what I feel that what we women want or any person needs in person. So that is the reason why I have kept this name, and I make different videos to cater different needs of our day-to-day life. I would like to give you a quick tip, guys. Whenever you're frying something, maybe deep frying or shallow frying, try to pour some oil from top, the heated oil. This makes the process simpler, easier, and quicker. The hot oil will help the bajis to cook faster, and you can come out of your kitchen soon, and the sweat is less. Also, I popped on some onion bajis. Now is the process which we are really waiting for. We have to cut these pre-cooked bajis into small pieces, say almost half inch wide, and then you have to cut all of them in the same manner, and you have to deep fry them. Guys, the most awaited moment has come. We need to deep fry these small cut bajis so that they become crispy and crunchy and this mouth-watering recipe you should really try and see. And here is a quick tip again: make sure that the oil is really hot, so that the moment you put in, it just takes hardly a minute for you to fry all of these crispy and crunchy. I've just captured this in slow motion so that you can enjoy this bit. Fry till it's crispy and golden brown, and you can take it into your serving plate after this directly. And just some small additions and you're good to go. Since it's lockdown period, all of us are really dull. So till we get real good food, let's enjoy cooking and make small DIYs at home to keep our mind calm and at peace. This way we can spend our time more usefully, and we can declutter our house and organize our house without buying something from outside. This gives abundance of happiness at zero cost. I'm just waiting to take it out from the oil and just hog on. It just tastes amazing, guys. You should really check it out and see for this mouth-watering recipe. It's not too spicy also. Do check it out. Also, before serving, you need to add in some finely chopped onions and add a dash of lemon juice to it. Squeeze it well on top and mix this thoroughly. Then you need to add a specially prepared masala only for this dish. I would let you know how to prepare it in a while. Stay tuned for the masala. Now repeat the same process. Cut the other bajis around ½ inch wide and deep fry them. And then you're ready to go on the platter. Now is the most awaited moment we have been waiting for all along. Yes, it's been served with some finely cut onions, a dash of lime juice, and the specially added masala, which is just prepared for this snack. For the masala, please do add in 1½ tablespoons of ajwain, 1½ tablespoons of jeera, quarter spoon of soombu or sownf. Add in 1½ tablespoon of coriander seeds, and then you have to add some 4 to 5 red chillies to this. Depending upon the chili taste you like, you can increase or reduce that. And then you need to add quarter spoon of chana dal and quarter spoon of toor dal and dry roast it nicely. Once it cools, please grind it out in your mixie, and then you can either crush it to fine or a coarse powder as you wish. And now the best part is you need to sprinkle it on the dish, and you can't wait even a moment to grab on this dish. Also add in a few pinches of chaat masala to enhance this recipe. Since we have added jeera, ajwain, soombu, everything, these really help in digestion, so you needn't worry about the acidic part of it. Guys, we're just going to hog on to this dish really now. We have been controlling our temptation from quite some time, so we are going to enjoy. Meanwhile, you also try this and let me know in the comment box if you liked it or not.